Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, and evening. On this occasion, allow me and my group to present the result of the one semester project that we have been working on. Our group member is Muhammad Hadi Khairullah, Muhammad Hafiz Ibnu Zain, Putri Syaja, Ahmad Rizky Hafil Ardi, Dia Sabadolis Teongwa, dan myself, Chairman, Novel Kans. Well, Architect same implementation as you are. SOC, Security Operation Center, is an operator center responsibility for monitoring, detecting, analyzing, and responding to cybersecurity threats incidents that occur within IT and networks environments. The main objective of the SC are to protect information assets, reduce security risk, and respond to incidents quickly and effectively. Security information and event management, same, is a security solution that collects, analyzes, and correlates data from various sources, such as network device, servers, and applications to detect and respond to potential security threats in real time. These are some of the software and operating system that we set up to create the architecture according to the project output. Then the next slide will be explained by my friend. My friend is welcome to continue.
In our PBL progress section, there are several parts, including virtual switch, load balancer, web server, database, and SOC monitoring application. Next. In our project cover, almost all subjects in this third semester, including computer system administration, object-oriented programming, applied cryptography, database security, internet working, cybersecurity law and ethics. Next. In this course, computer system administration. In this course, the implementation of well architecture, implementation CM is being able to set up Ubuntu and other software used in this project. Apart from that, you can also implement how to configure the firewall on VPSense and implement the required server service, such a web server, and also implement the use of a load balancer in this project. Here, then the next slide will be explained by my friend. My friend is welcome to continue.
Okay, thank you. Here I will explain object-oriented programming and database security. In the application of the object-oriented programming course, we implemented a web server with a bug report feature where users can report and provide input if there are bugs in the web server. We also create fields such as user login, password, and before that the user can register on the web page, and the registered data will go directly to the database. In database security, we have installed the database, then set up users on MySQL, then set up privilege-based users, and also set up access only from specific IP. In the implementation of data in transit, we generate SSL, then set up my config, security transport, and do testing using Wireshark. On the implementation of data at rest, we have set up from apps and also set up from the database engine. After that, connect to Wazoo by setting up the Wazoo again. Then set up a web server load balancer using Nginx and a database load balancer using HubProxy. Finally, for database backup, we do it outside the database server, namely through NAS, and will be backed up regularly. It will be automatically backed up when the virtual machine is turned on. Then the next slide will be explained by my friend. My friend is welcome to continue.
Okay, thank you, Hafiz. And next, applied cryptography. TLS or SSL applied cryptography implementation on a web server involve a series of steps to secure Bitcoin the client and the server. This requires the use of digital certificate, encryption, and cryptographic key exchange. The next step in the web server configuration is to install the SSL or TLS certificate that has been created previously, then use HTTPS in the web server configuration to support SSL or TLS connection. And next, internet networking. To implement the network internet interconnection in this project, we install pfSense virtual switch. The function of pfSense is as an IP address divider where the IP address from pfSense is divided into several IP called VLAN tags. This VLAN tag is shared for existing architecture. Then the implementation of OpenVPN by using a specific port, but on the bottom state Polytechnic network port, so we don't implement OpenVPN. Then the next slide will be explained by Ahmad.
Okay, thank you, Putri. Next slide. In the cybersecurity law and ethics is one of values that need to be applied in architecture. This is important in maintaining on the CIAA principle, namely confidentially. In keeping with the principle, we implement it on database security when the user or client register on the web page. Then the data that has been registered will be automatically encrypted by MySQL because we have configured my dot configure so that we confidentially of data that has been registered can be guaranteed and confidentially. Next slide. Okay, this is the logbook. In the logbook section, there are several parts, including planning, which takes approximately 2 weeks, analysis takes 1 month, design takes relatively longer due to change the occur. The implementation takes approximately 1 month. Okay, the next slide will be explained by Dias. Suara Dias. Dias mute.
Constraint. The main obstacle is the time in working on the project given by the client because there are many new things that we do not understand and are not familiar, so that it becomes one of the obstacles in working the project. But we'll still keep this architecture in recorded with the title of the project that has been given by the project. The feature goals will should have installed the Hive, Cortex, and MESV. However, due the influence, time, and the complexity of the configuration to the phase, the 3 open source then our group did not continue so that the feature can be implemented. The next slides will be explained by Ben.
Thank you for your attention. Please forgive any shortcoming. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.